Today we're making kale chips, a great and low-calorie snack that even kids could make. We're going to be seasoning our chips with ingredients from East and West. You're going to need tahini or tahina, garlic, salt, maple syrup, lime, and the star of the show, some kale. Let's get started. Just to give you a sense of how crunchy these guys are. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, we'd appreciate your support. For more nutrition facts and behind the scenes, follow us on Instagram. Happy eating!